makeup tutorial here on my channel. Today's look is inspired by, not really sure. I started off with the faux freckles, and then like when I just started doing stuff, and also when I added these glasses, I just felt like I am a young version of my mom. My mom is a ginger, redhead, freckles all over. She used to wear like the biggest glasses, not round but almost, and she's very like orangey. She loves orange and bright colors, so I thought that maybe I'm inspired by my mom. Why not? Kinda. I'm also going to show you guys two different lip options, one glossy and one nude. I was gonna say, no, one glossy and one matte. And yeah, the look is much cooler with the glasses, I think. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. It is super cold right now, so I'm wearing a jeans jacket just because it also looks cool. Alright, so for primer, I will use the Emite Makeup Red Coral Primer. I have been loving this one for years and also did one of the like my all-time favorite makeup products, and I showed you guys this one, and yeah, been loving for years. Love. And I will just use this all over my face. For foundation, my favorite and one that I use pretty much every single day, the NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Drop Foundation in 02. And I just got a restock of this, so this is the first time that I'm using this. And then I use a Real Techniques buffing brush to apply that at first. And then I will go in with a makeup sponge. I think this one is from Eden. And then I will just push it in. And I can see that this shade is a little bit too light for me at the moment, as I have some fake tan left, but we will use the bronze a little bit so it will blend. And then I am back with the Shape Tape from Tarte. This one is the shade Fair, and it's nearly out. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see where I've like scraped the product. We don't have it here in Sweden. Tarte, help. Why does it have to be so hard to live here? It's cold, the winter is back, and I can't go out because it's way too much snow. At least we should be able to have Tarte in stores. Like, we already endure so much misery here. Poor us, boo-hoo. So yeah, how is life, you guys? Are you back in school? Is life miserable? Are you stuck at a job you hate? I don't know, tell me all about it in the comment section. And also, yes, I'm so happy you guys like my hair, by the way. I will go in with some of the Inglot Illuminator in 70. So before you powder, you do this. And also a little bit right there. Chin, pupil, nose. For powder, I'm going to use two different ones. I'm going to use the Bye Bye Pores from It Cosmetics underneath my eyes and like on my nose and right on these parts where I have quite large pores. And then on the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Makeup Store HD Powder in Porcelain. And I'm going to use it with the sponge. Pat it underneath my eyes. And on my cheek. And then the HD powder I'm gonna use with a flat brush and pat it in. And then we are going to contour with the NYX Professional Makeup Contour Kit. I'm gonna use this one to contour a little bit. And lately I've been loving to contour, like, can you see that I'm doing like a little bit like bent, not straight? And then I like to go in a little bit to make my cheeks look a little bit rounder. It does give the appearance of very sharp cheeks, but you know, I like that, so And then I really like to contour these parts, like the hollow, like the sides of my eyes, pretty much. So the cheekbone looks like super sharp. Ding, ding, ding. And then I'm going to use the Kat Von D brush in number 40. This one is the favorite, or my favorite brush for nose contouring. Just lightly contour the nose. And then I'm gonna use this shade, just a little bit, and bronze. Then some blush. This one is the Makeup Store blush in Ginger. I should really buy this blush to my mom because she is a natural ginger and it will look super cute on her. And then I will just go in with some of the NYX Professional Makeup Away We Glow Illuminating Powder in the shade 01. It's just a very nice like highlight slash blush for a little bit of glow. Now is the time for me to once again try the fake freckles or faux freckles. I have been watching so many tutorials now and I'm thinking like if a 12-year-old can do it with a liquid liner then I can make it work. But I don't know, maybe I just have too much pressure on my shoulders. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out with the NYX Professional Makeup Pomade in 03, and then I have a lighter shade, and this one is from e.l.f. and it's a lock-on liner and brow cream in light brown. So I have these two, and I think I will start off with the light one at first. And I have two brushes. I'm not sure if the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush in Swish or the Real Techniques lip lining brush. Why do I think this is so hard? Yes? No? Can you even see it? I don't know. I can see it at least. And you should pat it so it's not as visible, I heard. Come on, Evelina, you can do this. Maybe I shouldn't look. Well, I think this looks okay, right? I'm gonna apply a little bit more blush and I'm gonna apply some highlighter, the Opals palette from LimeCrime, and use the gold shade. Maybe that looks weird, I'm not sure. I just want it to look good. So I used a few more right here and a little bit on my upper lip. Let's use a little bit on my nails. And I'll also put a little bit of the same highlight in my inner corner and underneath my brow while we're at it. Does this look fine? I really wanted to. I will just end with some Dewy finishing spray. I just wanted to see if it like settles to my skin a little bit better. So let's do that. And now I will go in with my favorite method right now to do my brows, the Inglot Gel Liner in 63. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills single shadows. All of these are Anastasia Beverly Hills. Alright, I have made up my mind. I'm going to go in with the Shadow Caramel, just for a transition color. And also to hollow out my crease pretty much. Also, by the way, the palettes that I have are just these like magnetic palette, so you can put any single eyeshadows in that are magnetic. And I got these from Mad Lady, and I can link them down below just because they're so great, just because you can see through what you have. And also they are not as expensive as some other ones that I've seen. Okay, so hopefully you guys are having a great start of the year. I have two, I guess. Although the winter weather is bringing me down a little bit, but other than that, I am super happy with the start of 2018, and I got in a lot of stuff on my bucket list for this year. And I was actually going to ask you guys about that, if you would like to see my bucket list. I was thinking maybe I could go through all of my steps on my bucket list. There are some that are not going to happen, like 100% not going to happen, or at least 99%. Some of them I am like working on, and some are just stupid but funny. Yeah, if you would like to see what I have on my bucket list, then you can vote up here if I remember to put one in. Sometimes I don't. And now I used it underneath my eyes as well. I can't help it. Next off on my lid, I will go in with the shade Party Dress. It's like a corally brown, and I'm gonna use it a little bit underneath right here. And then just in the inner corner and blend it into the shade that we just used, I'm gonna use the shade called Orange Soda. Right now, I feel like an edgier version of my mom when she was younger. She did not do this kind of makeup, obviously, but she was very edgy with her clothing. She used to do her clothes herself. She sew and stuff like that, which is kind of cool. And I do makeup, so express ourselves in different ways. And then I'm gonna go in with the highlight again and just intensify the highlight that we did right here. Damn. And then for the eyeliner, we are going to use this beautiful blue one from Inglot. It is the shade 67. And I'm just going to apply the liner as I normally do, my wing liner. So yes, that is what we're going to do now. What is that accent? It's not even an accent. I sound ridiculous. Ridiculous. That reminds me of Harry Potter. Anyone else? Yes? No? Did that just happen? No, it did not. It usually never does this. It's probably because I used the Duraline. Okay, in my waterline, I'm gonna use the Isadora Inliner in Nude. It's just a nude colored, my skin tone kind of shade. And now for some mascara and lashes. The mascara is the Body Shop Lash Hero Fibre Extension Mascara, the black one. And the lashes I have used before, as you guys can see. I just have them in here. And it's the Rouge and Rouge, never remember, Firewalker. Now we just have to figure out what kind of lip to wear. I think this one. We will use the liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Starfish. Okay, I can't choose between these lip glosses, so I will use them both. Good thinking, Evelina. Thank you very much. It is the shade Amber, and then we have the shade Sepia.
Last night I was dreaming out loud, California.
so the look is done and I'm actually really excited about it. I love it with the glasses. I truly look like more done up version of my young mom. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like, and also thank you again for liking my hair. I really like it. It's short. I know that a lot of you guys said that it's not short, but in my opinion it is. I've never had this short hair. Okay, no, this was annoying. Okay, so yeah, that was it. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you would like to, click the bell. This is not the bell, but you know, the bell right there or there, I don't know. So yeah, I hope we will see each other in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.